everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. Chilly morning here in Pennsylvania. Just taking a walk. Hope you can hear down at the bridge there's quite a bit of heavy machinery going. They're working on the bridge. Ian and I had gone down to the bridge the other day. Boy, oh boy, I opened a can of worms. I should have left my mouth shut. If you watched the last video, we were talking about Maxwell. I have a video coming up, I'll put up soon, after Maxwell came home from his little weekend away with his brother, Jean-Pierre. It was nice. We were just chatting. He didn't know excuse me, he didn't know I put the camera up. Just chatting. I'll put that up in the next day or so. And then we were talking about the bridge, our bridge update, and then I asked the terrible question, the question that opened a floodgate of comments, and no, Jean, no. Should we plant bamboo? We're not planting bamboo, all right, folks? This is for the record. We are not, absolutely not planting bamboo. Now, I did ask your opinion, which was awesome, and very, very quickly we received hundreds of comments. I mean, and quite a few of them were really nasty that I deleted. And if you notice, I didn't answer any of your comments, which I appreciate all of your input. I really did, because we asked and we received a tremendous amount of input. 99% of you is like, absolutely do not plant bamboo. It's invasive, it's terrible, it's horrible, it'll take over, blah, 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 blah. So we're not planting any bamboo. And that was in response, if you're new here, I wanted sort of to plant something to cover up the mess, whatever. We don't know if the bridge work or the township is going to be reclaiming or replanting the trees that they've taken, which was a pain in the neck, but never mind. Somebody asked, who do these woods belong to before you do anything? These are our son's woods. This is our son's property. He has over 5 acres here, and the woods belong to him. So I was like, can we plant bamboo? Obviously now we are not going to plant bamboo in case the bamboo police come after me for even asking. I did not even comment on any of my comments as you, or answer any of my comments, because I would have been saying 100 times over, okay, no, don't worry, we're not planting bamboo. Okay, don't worry, we're not planting bamboo. In fact, I think I might even just, turn the commenting off, because we really got it, or I really got it in the neck, which is fine, because I asked and everybody told me. Everybody told us, absolutely not. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to wait for another few more weeks when everything starts to green up here. We want to be able to see, as you know, Ian wanted to be able to see the horse farm, take all the brush out, but then again there was 2 camps on that. Like, we have a tremendous amount of wildlife here on the property. We have fox and raccoons and opossums and deer, of course. We have squirrels. We have all sorts of stuff in the woods here. And that we don't want to not keep for their home, their habitat. We have a lot of little furry creatures that come and visit us. So we don't want to do that. So we're just going to wait. But we are going to, and I think the general consensus was, we're going to be planting some willow trees. As you know, this is a flood area, flood prone zone. It's very, very wet, I should say. And so we're going to be planting some willow trees along this line here. And again, they're away from the house. The roots are not gonna encroach and break our pipes and blah, blah, blah. We had willow trees when I was growing up in the country where I was growing up. So we're gonna be planting them well away from the house. They're quick growing and they're very beautiful. So that's one plan for along here, and then along the front, as I said, we're gonna be planting. We've had a lot of luck in the past with the landai. which are fast-growing evergreen trees. We have a tremendous amount of tall trees here, but we are going to be planting some evergreens. So, yeah, that's as I said, I'm going to be turning the commenting off on that other video, which I've never ever done. But it was like I was getting tired of getting yelled at. Like, do not plant bamboo. We're not planting bamboo, folks. Going on the record here now saying we are not planting bamboo. I hope you can hear me because it's very windy out again. It is cold out. Oh my word. It is chilly out. But I was just taking a walk and I just thought, well, I'm going to film this and put you guys' minds at rest. We're not, and oh, that like it's illegal to plant it, and you know, like I said, the bamboo police are going to come after us. And I'm like, okay, we get it. We get it. We get it. We get it. We're not planting bamboo. Okay? For the record, no bamboo. Oh, somebody did say, I know Ian said, oh, why don't we tease them? He'll come, he went to work. He said, and why don't we tease him and say we're going to get a few pandas? And I'm like, oh, stop. You know, we take everything, we make light of everything. Life is hard enough, like, oh, come on. So anyway, we're not planting bamboo. We are planting some willow trees and some evergreen trees. And we had looked into Japanese maple. We might be doing that just along here. And somebody did say, and it's so true, this is a very beautiful property that our son and daughter-in-law owns. We have the privilege of living here, and it's our home. They've sort of given it to us. But the property is ugly in the wintertime, but all woods are sort of ugly and scruffy. So we're just going to hang on and wait a little while, because when they start to green up, it's going to be very pretty. It's going to be very pretty. Yet again, you've seen this property. We have a lovely bit of grass here, and yeah, no bamboo. All right. Somebody said you're going to be bamboozled. I think, Linda, I'm like, oh my word, what a visceral response. So anyway, just wanted to say hello. I'm going to be putting up a video of Maxwell, sweet Maxwell. He came home from his weekend and from his doctor's appointment, which went well. And yeah, so I just wanted to check in on you guys. I hope you're staying safe. There's things happening down at the bridge there. You can hear more construction work. But yeah, just wanted to say hello to you. Good morning, and have a good one. And take care. Keep safe. Love from the Trueloves. Bye.